Hey guys, I want to encourage you to speak truth today. And let me clarify, there's a few things. We're going to talk about resentments, all right? Resentments destroy relationships. I see this time and time again. When you resent people, it's like mold in the relationship. It starts to creep in, and then it actually starts to have a really big impact on the oxygen you're taking in, and it becomes toxic after a while. So you have to realize that when you don't speak up in your relationship about what's not working for you, what is, things that you want to change, challenges you have with the other person, you're creating mold in your relationship, toxic mold. And that's on you. And here's how to identify that you probably have a resentment going on. If you're quietly in your mind judging someone after you get off a Zoom call with them or text message thread with them, or you see them, and you're silently judging them in your mind, you've got a resentment. And in your low-stake relationships, that's okay. You can resent people, you can judge people, whatever, we all do that. In a high-stakes relationship, on the other hand, this is not cool. Okay, you're not showing the other person respect by telling them the truth about how you really feel. You're holding back, and you have all these valid reasons why you're holding back. Well, I don't want to hurt their feelings. Well, it could destroy the relationship. Well, they might get mad at me. Well, blah, 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 blah. Excuse, excuse, excuse. Instead, have the courage to take the first step. And the first step is to say, friend, person, partner, family member, I notice that I'm holding back with you. I'm not speaking up all the time. That alone is enormous. It builds trust. It's like, cool, thanks for caring about us and our relationship. It's really caring about the other person. But when you withhold, and you continue to withhold, right? Withhold equals mold, right? Withhold equals mold. Toxic fucking mold in your relationship. Speak up. If you don't know how to speak up, if you're scared to speak up, hire a coach, get help. Learn how to communicate better, right? And you cannot protect the other person from their reaction. They get to have it. They get to have that, whatever that is. And you get to learn how to work with your reaction based on their reaction. That's a learning opportunity. You're robbing yourself of that learning when you don't speak up. So guys, speak up, right? And try not to speak up with a cannonball of information blasting them for how wrong they are. See, this is what resentments do. If you don't speak up, out comes the cannons and the firing guns and just, blazing, mowing them down with your words because you're so angry and you've held it in so long, like, God damn it, finally I'm going to tell the truth. That's a resentment. So I'm saying don't do that. I mean, that's better than that. At least creates a mess that you can now clean up and go, okay, let's get back to square one. I create messes sometimes. So sometimes resentments creep up on us. They're sneaky. And all of a sudden we realize like we've been annoyed at this person for 6 months or 2 months or 2 weeks and we haven't said anything. It's like, fuck, what's my problem? I got to speak up here. Speak up. Show them the kindness and respect by speaking up. Ideally, you speak up along the way so it doesn't build up into a shotgun, right? A big kind of vomit sesh. Cool. In a future video, I will show you how to clear a resentment, but right now, we're just identifying them. Yes, I have them. Damn, I'm withholding. Okay, that's on you again. I'm withholding. Shoot, what can I do here? All right, at least own it, guys. At least own it, right? That's the first step. And then make a commitment to tell the truth. Get an accountability partner. Get a friend to say, hey, watch me here so that I don't do this in my life. Okay.